So today we're going to start a new series of videos called FAQs, Frequently Asked Questions. One of those frequently asked questions is, what fluids should I use in my vehicle? So Okisube's, I know there's a lot of fluids that other people use, but Okisube's here we use 5W40 Castrol Edge full synthetic. And the reason we use it is because of the climate here. 5W30 thins out a little bit too much. 10Ws, they don't do as well. We just like 5W40s. Because we found that it does well in the race conditions and the climate that we live in. Next up is the front and center diffs along with the rear diff. Subaru recommends Extra S, and so we use that as well. It's a 75W90 weight, and we use that because Subaru recommends it. We found that it's actually been really good for diagnosing problems. A lot of transmissions, when they have noises, synchros feel that they're going bad, Extra S has come through and fixed a lot of those issues. So we stand by Extra S. If I was going to go back and backtrack on the oils, what we found through research is that Royal Purple is not a good engine oil to use in your vehicle. Though we use Castrol Edge here at Okisube's, what we would recommend is not using Royal Purple in your engines, and you can find that kind of information online as to why. Extra S, it doesn't really matter what brand you use. 75W90 is what is recommended, so if you wanted to use Royal Purple or any other brand, go for it, but we stand behind Extra S. Lastly, for power steering fluid is self-explanatory, you would think, but on Subarus, they don't use power steering fluid. Power steering fluid could actually ruin the pumps on Subarus. On the cap, it even states use ATF Dextron only. So we use ATF Dextron. Any type of automatic transmission fluid will work. We found that it's kind of hard to find Dextron here in Okinawa without spending quite a bit of money. So we've experimented with this brand and it works out really well. So if you have any other questions about fluids, please let us know. Everything else is pretty simple. We recommend 50-50 blend for the coolant, depending on what state you live in. Here in Okinawa, we don't really need anything special. We just recommend 50-50 blend. Yeah. So yeah, please, if you have any other questions about fluids, please feel free to let us know. Thank you.